cozy, cozy Coupe. You do it like it's never been done. Cozy, 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 cozy Coupe. I'm ready for rolling into fun, my cozy Coupe.
It's a very big day for Fairy. It's the premiere of Fairy's new movie, and she's got her checklist to make sure everything stays on schedule and goes just right. Fairy needs to put the film in the projector, pop the popcorn, and make sure she has her fantastic feather boa for her bows at the end of the movie. But first, she has to take a picture of this big moment. Oh, there's no time to waste chasing her list, Fairy. The show must go on. Now, what was the first thing on Fairy's list? Oh yeah, she has to prepare the projector to play the movie. Ooh, it looks like Turtle has found Fairy's checklist. Now he just has to find Fairy, which could take a while. Turtle is going to go check the projection room. Oh wait, Fairy put the film in the projector upside down. Good thing Turtle is taking his time and spotted Fairy's oopsie. Fairy still needs her checklist. Maybe she's setting up the popcorn popper? Oh no! Fairy was in such a rush, she turned the popcorn machine to maximum poppage. But Turtle knows the fix. Oh look! It's Fairy's feather boa from the checklist. She needs that too. Oh no! Fairy can't find her feather boa. She's nervous because she was rushed trying to get ready. Oh look! It's Turtle! Fairy's movie is a big hit! But she couldn't have pulled it off without the real star of the night, Turtle!